Welcome to this in-depth review of TaxWise, one of the leading tax preparation software options available for professionals. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about TaxWise, from its user interface and key features to its pricing structure and overall performance. Whether you're a seasoned tax professional or exploring solutions to streamline your tax preparation process, this review is tailored to help you evaluate if TaxWise meets your needs. Starting with the user interface, TaxWise provides a clean and straightforward dashboard designed for efficiency. The home screen organizes key functions like client management, tax form creation, and e-filing into easily accessible sections. The software supports federal, state, and local tax returns, making it a comprehensive choice for various professional tax scenarios. One of the standout features of TaxWise is its ability to handle multiple tax forms simultaneously. This is especially beneficial for professionals managing a high volume of clients. TaxWise also integrates seamlessly with popular accounting software, saving users significant time during the data transfer process. For those concerned about compliance and security, TaxWise employs robust measures to ensure data integrity and confidentiality. This includes multi-factor authentication and secure data encryption. These features make it a trustworthy option for safeguarding sensitive client information. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video to explore additional tools and guides that may complement your tax preparation workflow. Moving on to pricing, TaxWise offers flexible packages designed for firms of different sizes. Whether you're an independent tax preparer or part of a larger organization, there's likely a plan that fits your budget and operational needs. However, it's worth noting that some users have reported that the higher-tier plans can be pricey, so it's essential to evaluate the cost-benefit ratio for your specific requirements. TaxWise also provides a robust support system, including live chat, email, and an extensive knowledge base. The training resources are particularly helpful for new users, ensuring a smooth onboarding process. Customer feedback highlights the responsiveness of the support team, which is an important consideration when choosing any professional software. Overall, TaxWise excels in its ease of use, advanced functionality, and support options. However, like any software, it has its limitations. Some users have mentioned occasional glitches during peak tax season, which can disrupt workflows. It's recommended to test the software during a trial period to assess its performance under your specific conditions. If this review helped you understand TaxWise better, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like. Your support helps us create more detailed reviews like this one to guide you through the decision-making process. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.